Okay, our problem is to find the inverse transform of this function here. And what we know at this point is, I know how to take the Laplace transform of a power of t, that just this function here. The other thing we're going to use is, if I know a Laplace transform and replace this argument by s minus a, that multiplies the original function by e to the at. So we want to rewrite this function in a form here where we can use it easily. F of s is 3s, and here I have a plus 6, and I would like to have a plus 6 up in the top. So we do the standard trick of I just put a plus 6, and then I have to put a minus 6 to keep things the same. Plus 2 over s plus 6 to the fourth. Well, let's distribute on the top. That's 3s plus 6 minus 18 plus 2 over s plus 6 to the fourth. And let's split the fraction then. And this is going to be 3s plus 6 over s plus 6 to the fourth. And then I'm going to have 1 plus, that gives me a minus 16 over s plus 6 to the fourth. In the first one I can cancel out a s, so s plus 6, and I have 1 over s plus 6 cubed. Let's see, I guess I want a minus there, 16. Well, let's just put a 1 for the time being. S plus 6 to the fourth. Well, looking back up at our function, if the exponent on the bottom is here, the numerator should be 1 less to the factorial. So we'll do that. So I'm going to have 3 times, I want a 2 factorial, so I'll put a 2 factorial here to cancel it out, plus 6 cubed minus, and the same thing here. I have a 16, and I want a 3 factorial up here to match our formula here. Then, so I've got to cancel that out, 3 factorial, s plus 6 to the fourth. And now looking at what our transform is, if I have a power like this, well, what that's telling me then is that f of t, for the inverse transform of this first one, is going to be 3 over 2 factorial, and that is just going to be the transform of e to the minus 6 t times t squared, then minus 16 over 3 factorial e to the minus 6t t cubed. And we can clean this up a bit. This is 3 over 2, and it probably looks slightly easier to read if we write them in the other order, minus 6t. And then let's see, this is really 16 over 6, which gives me 8 over 3 t cubed e to the minus 6t. And that is the answer.